This is a front wheel bearing replacement on a 2001 Ford Explorer. The first step is to remove the wheel. Next, you're going to remove the two 13mm caliper mounting bolts. If you prefer, you can leave the top bolt in and swing the caliper up to slide the pin out, like I do in the video. Set the caliper to the side. Remove the two 15mm caliper support bracket bolts and the brake rotor. In this shot, you can also see two of the three 15mm hub mounting bolts. Remove those as well. Remove the 32mm axle nut, then turn the knuckle and remove the final hub mounting bolt. In this shot, you can see the wheel speed sensor. The new hub should come with a new wheel speed sensor already installed, so you can leave it in the hub. You do have to remove the 8mm bolt securing the harness to the back side of the knuckle and the mounting clips. The harness unplugs up behind the front bumper.